Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to dive into an in-depth review of the Google's latest flagship smartphone, the Pixel 8 Pro, announced on October 4, 2023 and released on October 12, 2023. This device promises to deliver top-notch performance and innovative features. So let's get started. And don't forget to subscribe, like and hit that bell button. First, let's talk about the design and the build. The Pixel 8 Pro features a sleek and premium design with a glass front and back, both protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and an aluminum frame. It measures about 162.6mm with height, 76.5mm on width, and 8.8mm on thickness, and weighing just about 213 grams, offering a solid yet comfortable feel in the hand, kinda like a pebble. The device also supports Nano SIM and eSIM, and is IP68 dust and water resistant, capable of diving up to 1.5 meters underwater for 30 minutes. Now let's move on to the display. The Pixel 8 Pro sports a stunning 6.7-inch LTPO OLED display with a resolution of 1344 up to 2999 pixels. The display supports HDR10 Plus and has an impressive peak brightness of up to 2400 nits, making it perfect for outdoor use. With a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, you will enjoy smooth scrolling and immersive viewing experience. Plus, it comes with cornering Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for added protection and an always display feature. The Pixel 8 Pro is powered by the Google Tensor G3 chipset, built on a 4nm process, and an Immortals G715S MC10 GPU. This ensures top-tier performance for multitasking, gaming, and productivity, paired with 12 GB of RAM and available in storage options of up to 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, or if you are more willing to spend some money, 1 TB options. So you have plenty of space options and speed to handle all of your apps and files. But the device does not supports expandable storage. This technology ensures fast read and write speeds. One of the standard features of the Pixel 8 Pro is its camera system. It has a triple camera setup on the rear, including a 50 megapixel wide sensor, a 48 megapixel telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom, and a 48 megapixel ultra wide sensor. This camera system supports dual LED flash, pixel shift, ultra HDR, and more. The front camera is a 10.5 megapixel ultra wide sensor, perfect for selfies and video calls, supporting 4K video recording. Google's advanced computational photography ensures stunning photos in any lighting condition. In terms of software, the Pixel 8 Pro runs on Android 14, offering a clean and intuitive user interface. You get exclusive features like the new Google Assistant, enhanced privacy controls, and real-time language translation. Additionally, the device comes with guaranteed software updates for at least 3 years, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest features and security updates. Battery life is another area where the Pixel 8 Pro excels. It is equipped with a 5050 mAh battery supporting 30 watt wired charging, 23 watt wireless charging, and a reverse wireless charging option. Google claims it can reach 50% charge in just 3 minutes. With such robust battery performance, you can enjoy all-day usage without worrying about running out of power. Finally, let's talk about connectivity and other features. The Pixel 8 Pro boasts a wide range of network technologies, including GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. It comes with Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and USB Type-C 3.2. It also features an under-display fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, compass, barometer, and even a thermometer for checking the temperature. The Pixel 8 Pro is available in 4 colors: Obsidian, Porcelain, Bay Blue, and Mint, priced at around $578 for the base model and higher for the more capable models. In conclusion, the Google Pixel 8 Pro is a powerhouse of a smartphone, combining top-notch hardware with Google's advanced software capabilities. Whether you are a photography enthusiast, a power user, or someone who values a premium user experience, the Pixel 8 Pro has something to offer to everyone. Well, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy and watch till the end. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell button. So see you next time, and bye.